try this unique recipe you have even tried before. Make these super flavored rice and fill your moment with the taste. It is a unique, simple style and easy rice recipe with the flavor of lemon, which makes it super easy with a little bit ingredients. So must try this recipe. Let's get started. So I've taken pan and added about 1 tablespoon of oil. I've put it on stove. Remember to turn the flame on as well. And with that I've added about 1 tablespoon of roasted peanuts. I've taken roasted peanuts. Remember to take roasted peanuts. With the help of a spatula, I'm gonna fry it about 3 to 5 minutes. Like with the passage of time, your peanut will start changing its color. When they turn out to be a little bit light brown, you're gonna add the next ingredient. I'm taking sweet corn, about 1 tablespoon. And with that, I'm taking pomegranate seeds, about 1 tablespoon as well. With that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. I'm gonna mix it with the help of a spatula. With mixing, you'll see the ingredients will turn out to be yellow in color. So you don't have to add or take any kind of food coloring like a yellow food color to make your rice look yellow. Turmeric is more than enough to change the color of your rice into yellow. Now I'm gonna take coriander leaves. I've separated it from the stem and I'm gonna mix it in it. I've washed it before adding into it. For good health, washing the vegetables or anything you're adding is quite compulsory. With that, I am taking a half teaspoon of salt. You can just add per your taste. And I'm gonna mix it well so that the salt is quite mixed in all the ingredients. With that, I am taking about 1 teaspoon red chili powder. I'm gonna mix all the ingredients with the help of a spatula as well. Remember to use spatula on a non-stick pan. So I've added about all the spices. Now it's time to add rice, boiled rice. I've boiled the rice before and I'm gonna add about 1.5 cup of boiled rice. I'm gonna mix it quite well about for 5 minutes so that all the spices get absorbed in our rice. Like you'll see the color start changing into yellow. As far as I mentioned before, you don't have to add any food coloring. Your turmeric is more than enough to change its color. With that, I've taken 2 tablespoons lemon juice. I've taken a lemon, squeezed juice out of it. So lemon is our main ingredient. It's done and now our rice is done as well. I'm gonna mix it well so that the lemon juice is absorbed in our rice as well. Now you can see it's ready to serve. I have garnished it with some coriander, some almond and some lemon as well. If you really like my video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Once you're gonna subscribe to my channel, you'll see a bell icon. Hit the bell icon and you will be updated by my latest videos at first. And if you have any kind of query related to this recipe or any question, just comment down below. I will be surely happy to answer you. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.